that. Like sharks, like crocodiles, like alligators, like wolves, like coyotes, like bears.
What?
Those are, I think some people think those things that are big eat you, but they don't.
Why not?
Because we don't taste good. But they do eat mouse and stuff. They only eat animals, not pigs.
Why do you think people think that?
Because maybe it's too. They definitely don't eat babies. Because they are gonna be really scared. And Ellie said sharks might eat you if you're really, really gonna be mad at them. Is that true?
If you scare a shark, then he's going to fight for himself.
So he's gonna eat you?
Nope, they don't eat you.